Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix stuttering on your Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up File Explorer and go to this PC, local disk C, double click on the Windows folder, find System32 folder, just double click on it. And now you just need to scroll down and find GameBar Presence Writer. This type GameBar Presence Writer, you can find it. You just need to right click on the GameBar Presence Writer over here and select Properties. Go to Security tab and select the Advanced option and select the Change option next to Owner, and you just need to select the Advanced option. And now you just need to select the Find Now. And now in this list, you just need to select your username, guys. If you don't know your username, then select the start icon here. You can able to see your username. In my case, my username is Ajay. As you can see, here is my username. After selecting that, select OK option. And now select OK. And now select Apply and OK for save changes. Select the advanced option over here and select the change permissions option and select the add option. And now select a principal, select it, and now select the advanced option and select find now. In this list, you just need to select your username and select OK. Select OK again, and now you just need to check this full control box and click on OK and click on apply and OK option. Again, select the advanced option and now select the change option next to owner. And now you just need to check my video description for this text used in my video. Just to copy the text and paste it in here and select check names and select OK. And now select apply and OK. And now click on OK. Now you just need to right click on the GameBar Presence Writer and select the rename option. At this end of this name, you just need to type 2 and press enter. Select the continue option and select yes. After doing this, just close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your shuttering will be gone. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.